Virginian greenhouse operators raise millions of herbs year-round in a business that has exploded in recent decades. Companies like Shenandoah Growers in Rockingham County ship organic herbs to grocery stores all over the Mid-Atlantic region. Other growers are not as specialized, but they have found a financial niche. What began as a 900-acre family farm in Charles City County 3 decades ago has grown to become a modern production facility of 5 greenhouses, a packing warehouse, and an office complex. The Growers Exchange is now in eastern Henrico County and specializes in indoor and garden herb production. In the United States alone, over 40 million adults have reported using herbal supplements.
We've moved into a modern new greenhouse to supply the herb demand that we receive every year. The indoor, in comes potting soil, pots, flats, tags, seeds, sometimes started baby plants that we buy from another greenhouse. And we use our agronomics potting machine, which takes 1,000 pounds of soil at a time. It mixes our organic fertilizer and our biological fungicide into the soil, which gives us 3 months crop protection, which is delivered with the plant to the customer.
Popular garden herbs at the Growers Exchange include basil, chives, cilantro, oregano, and parsley, but they grow seedlings of dozens of other varieties. Marketing Director Kenan says what started as a trickle of consumers on the internet has now become a flood for Growers Exchange products.
We've got a great product. We know how good our product is, and I love throwing it out there and having people find it, bite it, and want more. So I know that sounds sort of weird, but it is that. I love sharing our product with people and then getting the feedback. And I've got to say, after 20 years of retail in a bricks and mortar store, we've got more relationships with people now than we did then. And it's the quality of the interaction, whether it's through social media or email or even a phone.
Since many of its products are grown from seed, the Growers Exchange is extremely busy twice a year when other growers buy their seedlings to finish out. During busy months, the Growers Exchange hires extra help to plant, pack, and process the plants. The off-season for these gardeners offers an opportunity to fine-tune their operation.
That is how we work year-round, is always just shipping spring and fall, and then summer and winter we're getting the deep dive into how to be successful for the next year.
We can probably ship out anywhere like 300 to 400 orders a day. Yeah, an order can consist of like 2 to 3 plants or like 76 plants.
The Growers Exchange greenhouses used to be in a more rural location, but they moved closer to Richmond to improve their shipping times. Growers Exchange has found its niche in this rapidly expanding industry. Across Virginia, consumers are buying herbs for medicinal purposes, cooking, and even to attract wildlife to their gardens. In Henrico County, this is Dave Miller.